Do you want to make videos where you don't need video editing, no face reveal, and no voiceover? I saw a video on Instagram a few days ago. It had over 23 million views. I thought to myself, why not try this myself? But I decided to use a slightly different logic. This method gave me tons of ideas that get crazy views. And today, I'm going to teach you how to make the exact type of video I just mentioned. To make these kinds of videos, first you'll need an image of yourself or an AI character image. Here's an example I made. You can create this on Nano Banana or any other website. Make sure your character is holding an A4 paper in their hand, and you can choose any background you like. Then you'll need ChatGPT. I'm using it here just for a quiz example, but you can use any idea you want, even memes. I ask ChatGPT to give me a few quiz lines. Then I take those lines and go back to Nano Banana. I upload my paper image and tell it to write the first line on the paper. That becomes scene 1. You can create as many scenes as you want, 1 line per scene. Quick tip, watch this video till the end because I'll also show you how to remove watermarks in bulk. I even built a Python script that does this automatically. If you want that script, just message me. And don't worry, if you don't know coding, you can still do this manually using Nano Banana. If you get stuck anywhere, drop a comment or message me. I reply to everyone, so don't stress. Once scene 1 is ready, I generate scene 2 and keep going until the whole story is complete. Here's an example of a video I made earlier, all scenes created one by one. But there's one problem. Nano Banana leaves a watermark. So, to remove it, I created 2 scripts. The first script detects where the watermark is on each image. The second script removes it from all images in the folder, completely automatic. Once the watermarks are gone, the final step is to turn these images into a video. For that, I used Grok AI. You can even use their phone app. Then I just combine all the clips in any video editor, and boom, video is ready. You can watch this example in my short section. Play around with different ideas. I've tested this, and trust me, these videos get massive views. If you support my channel, I'll share even more unique methods to get even better results. So make sure to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below.